Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and sound. In the previous video, we discussed what is Python and what is OOP or Object Oriented Programming Language. And in this video, we'll discuss the uses of Python or Python is used as what. And is Python a good choice for gaming, not playing wala gaming, but building games and animations? And who uses Python? The 8 world-class companies who uses Python. So let's begin with the uses of Python. A Python is a general-purpose coding language, which means that it is unlike HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other front-end languages. It can be used for other types of programming and software development besides web development. That includes back-end development, as well as in some cases it also used in front-end development too. Software development, data science, and writing system scripts, among other things. Python is also used in machine learning, or in simple words, it teaches a machine or model that how to perform the given task. A better example is us, humans. When we are nursery, we are taught that if someone is offering something, so we should say thank you, and if we did a mistake, and so we just simply say sorry. So the next question is Python used in gaming, or is it a good choice? So dear, yes, Python is an excellent choice for rapid prototyping of games, but it has some limits and has limits with performance. So therefore, for more resource intensive games, you should consider the industry standard, which is C with Unity and C++ with Unreal. So some popular games like EVE Online and Pirates of Caribbean Sea were created using Python, and it is also a good choice for Pygames. Obviously, Python extension is PY, so it's good for Pygames. So means EVE Online and Pirate of the Caribbean Sea is a sort of Pygames. So now it's the time for the 8 world-class software companies that uses Python. So guys, dear, it is Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Amazon. So these are 8. But one more famous company is Dropbox, which uses Python. So guys, hope you loved this video. If you did, please like and subscribe my channel, and in the next video we will see how to create lists in a Python IDE PyCharm. So bye guys.